Model, 2015 Isuzu D-Max 2.5 4X4 Yukon Vision double cab needs turbo one-owner pickup. Body, silver 4x4. Mileage, 246,323. Engine, 2,499 cc Ford JK1 intercooler E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, runs perfect. Engine, clutch, gearbox, drivetrain are fantastic, just the small turbo needs replacing. Engine idles perfectly and sounds mint. Straightforward small turbo replacement job. The big turbo is fine. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, 2 keys, cruise control, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us